Hi, One Hour Smart Him here, and today we're going to teach you how to connect Tidal to Alexa. So first thing you need to do is open up the Amazon Alexa app. And we're at the home screen here. This is what's going to usually pop up. And then you're just going to go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the menu button. From there, you need to scroll down all the way to the settings at the very bottom, and you're going to click on that. Okay, and we keep scrolling down, and we're going to click on music and podcasts. All right, so now you see these other Amazon services. We want to link a new music service. We want to link Tidal. So we're going to click the plus button right here, and that's going to allow us to link different services. You can see all the different services that you could link to Alexa here, but we want to link Tidal to Alexa. And what this will allow us to do is play Tidal music through our Alexa devices, and it will allow us to search Tidal music on Alexa and use voice commands to play Tidal music on Alexa. So that's a big benefit. If you've got a big Tidal subscription, you can then say Alexa, play music from your favorite artist on Tidal, and then it's going to pop up on Alexa and start playing from your device. So we're going to click on that right here. And all we have to do is click Enable to Use. Now, the important thing is when you do this, you're going to log in with your username and password, and then you're connected to Tidal. But a lot of people have issues with using music on Alexa and getting Tidal on Alexa because you have to say, Alexa, play Jay-Z on Tidal in order to play that music from your Tidal subscription. Alexa needs to know what music subscription you want to use. So that's just important to know when you are doing this. But you are all set now. All you have to do is enter your username and password, and then you will have Tidal music on Alexa. Thank you.